Hi guys, this is Jeel Jain. Welcome to my channel. In the last video, we talked about table number 21. In this video, we'll be talking about movie Bala. I recently watched this movie and I loved it. So, movie is basically about the fake beauty standards in our society that we tend to follow. And no matter how much we deny, we do follow those trends. सो इट फीचर्स आयुष्मान खुराना, यामी गौतम एंड भूमि पेडनेकर, जिसमें आयुष्मान और भूमि बचपन से साथ में एक स्कूल में पढ़ते हैं, जिसमें आयुष्मान खुराना इज़ अ पॉपुलर किड जो बहुत शैतान बच्चा है, जो टीचर्स को घर पे अपने मम्मी पापा को परेशान करता है. भूमि डार्क स्किन कलर की लड़की है जो कि इस बात से काफ़ी दुखी है कि हर कोई उस पर इसी बात के लिए कमेंट करता है, उसे इसी बेसिस पे जज करता है कि उसका रंग डार्क है. सो वाइल ग्रोइंग अप आयुष्मान हैड अ लॉट ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस एंड भूमि डिड नॉट. बट when they both grow up, Bhumi becomes a lawyer and Ayushman goes into a company working as a salesperson, also doing stand-up comedy as side thing. So Ayushman Khurrana as kid was popular as Shah Rukh Khan. Like he would do poses like this, he would flaunt his hair because he had good hair. But when he's a grown up working, he tends to lose his hair. तो उसके बाल झड़ने शुरू हो जाते हैं और ये बात उसको बहुत ज़्यादा बॉदर करती है because obviously the beauty norms and as per our society is like you should be good looking at the age of 25, you should have good hair and all those things. This starts to bother him so much that he would do everything अपने सर पे गोबर लगाना, लेप लगाना, तरह तरह के तेल लगाना कि उसके बालों की डेंसिटी बढ़े और उसका हेयर फॉल कम हो. बट इवेंचुअली उसका हेयर फॉल बढ़ता रहता है और वो गंजा होने लग जाता है और ऑलमोस्ट गंजा हो जाता है. दैट्स व्हेन ही गोज ऑन अ ट्रिप to the city Lucknow, where he meets Yami Gautam, who's a TikTok star and doing a campaign for his company. So where he falls in love with this girl and she also falls in love with him. And for Yami Gautam, everything is about glam beauty because that's how she works, like her TikTok videos work. So these two people get married, and the next day she finds out that he wears a wig and he does not have hair and he's not a good looking guy. And while being in love and dating, he wants to tell her, but he was afraid all this time that if she figures out कि वो गंजा है, वो उससे शादी नहीं करेगी. और in his benefit, what happened was, which did not work in his benefit, कि वो उसको टेक्स्ट करता है कि मैं गंजा हूँ और ये मेरा सच है. वो टेक्स्ट किसी और को चला जाता है and he keeps thinking कि उसको सच पता है, but उसे पता नहीं होता और उनकी शादी हो जाती है. When she finds out, she leaves him और उसको डाइवोर्स चाहिए. And this also bothers him a lot कि भाई वो गंजा होना उसकी लाइफ में कितना बड़ा, it has become a big deal. So when the divorce is happening, they both are in court and the hearing is going on. This is when the Bhumi Pednekar is taking his case and fighting his case in the court. So Yami Gautam says one line which I really liked. She says that if he is so much ashamed of himself कि ये गंजा है, तो मैं इस आदमी को कैसे एक्सेप्ट कर सकती हूँ इसके गंजेपन के साथ. इसके बाथरूम में जो शीशा है वो आधा ढका हुआ है ताकि ये अपना खुद का सर ना देख सके, तो ये कैसे एक्सपेक्ट करता है कि मैं इसको एक्सेप्ट कर लूँ. So that's when I felt like, yeah, this movie sends out a very good message, which is, see, all these fake beauty norms that we have in society, we cannot deny them, or we tend to believe in them. कि अगर कोई इंसान गोरा है, लंबा है, अच्छी बॉडी है, उसकी बाल अच्छे हैं, तो ही वो गुड लुकिंग है. अगर कोई इंसान का कलर डार्क है या मोटा है या नाटा है, तो वो लोग गुड लुकिंग नहीं कहलाते. तो ये जो फेक नॉर्म्स और स्टैंडर्ड्स क्रिएट किए हमने किए, चाहे वो बाल झड़ने की बात हो या मोटापे की बात हो या कद छोटा हो या कोई भी दूसरी चीज़ हो, हैविंग डबल चिन, एनीथिंग, पीपल कैन नॉट एक्सेप्ट देमसेल्फ because the society is not letting them live with those facts. Unless until you accept your own self, you cannot expect anybody else to love you in the same situations. So that's what this movie sends out, this beautiful message. कि अगर, and the moment Ayushman Khurrana realizes this fact and he accepts himself, he takes out his wig and then he starts roaming around without a wig, like he accepts himself as a bald man and he's like, he's fine with being takla. Alright, I don't know how the video got cut. So this movie sends out a very beautiful message that you should accept yourself however you are and you should not consider anything that you think is less in you as a flaw. Because that's not a flaw, that's how you are. Embrace yourself, embrace those things that you have. Look at the side that you have all those skills everybody else. Just for the physical appearance and the things that people think are not good in you does not make you any of the less person. So yeah, that's all about it, and I'm so sorry for the bad lighting and a lot of things. I had to shoot this video, so, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and watch the movie. I'll put the link here. I think Amazon या Hotstar पे है कहीं. Ta-da!